An organic compound gives 0.220 gram of carbon dioxide and 0.126 gram of water on complete combustion. If the percentage of carbon is 24, then the percentage of hydrogen is dash into 10 to the power minus 1. Let the weight of organic compound be W grams. परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन गिवन है 24%। तो परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं? परसेंटेज ऑफ कार्बन होगा वेट ऑफ कार्बन डिवाइडेड बाय वेट ऑफ द ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड दैट इज W ग्राम इंटू 100। तो वेट ऑफ कार्बन फाइंड आउट करेंगे। अब ये जो ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है, दिस ऑन कंबशन गिव्स 0.220 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। तो मोल्स ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड हो गया वेट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दैट इज 0.220 ग्राम्स डिवाइडेड बाय मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ऑफ कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड दैट इज 44। अब कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का फॉर्मूला होता है CO2। सो फ्रॉम द मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ऑफ द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड it can be said that 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 1 mole of carbon atoms. So moles of carbon in the organic compound is equal to 1 into moles of carbon dioxide. Why? Because whatever carbon is there in the organic compound has converted into carbon dioxide, and since 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 1 mole of carbon atoms, therefore moles of carbon is equal to 1 into moles of carbon dioxide. अब moles of carbon की जगह पे हम लिख सकते हैं weight of carbon divided by atomic weight of carbon that is 12 gram per mole, and this is equal to 1 into moles of carbon dioxide formed. अब moles of carbon dioxide formed कितना है? moles of carbon dioxide formed है 0.220 divided by 44. Solving weight of carbon is equal to 0.06 gram. Now we know the weight of carbon. Putting the value of weight of carbon in the formula for percentage of carbon, we get 0.06 divided by W into 100 is equal to 24, because percentage of carbon is given in the question as 24%. Solving weight of the organic compound is equal to 0.25 gram. A weight of organic compound we know, so we can find out percentage of hydrogen. But before that we need to know the weight of hydrogen.